Hey guys, it's Ryan. We're going to talk about, has natural gas hit the low? Now, last night we dropped down, we hit 259.6, and now we're currently at 261.3. The report will come out an hour after open today, which is about an hour and 45 minutes. I really thought we would probably push up a little bit, and I didn't figure this 259.6 would be the low. I figured we would push into the 250s. This report today is supposed to be like close to minus 250 BCF, which is going to be the biggest withdrawal of the season. So it appears to be selling off even more, and I think we may hit the low today. I'm going to be looking at like maybe around 255. Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob. So, yes, the last several years, natural gas has hit a low in February of about 253, 255 before reversing. So we're in that general area where there's a big support area for natural gas. So if you, let's see if we can pull up a 3-year chart. So this is 2016, 2017, 2018. And as you can see, I've got a line drawn here. There's a huge bottom here about the 253 area. So we've hit it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and this will be the 7th. It should hold above the 250s. If we drop below like 250 in the 240s, then there's really no support area whatsoever. So you still have to go in with a plan and have a stop loss ready. But just know that natural gas is getting in the good deal territory. And this is the 10-year chart, and it's going back to 2009. And as you can see, we did hit a low of 161. Back in 2012, we hit 190, 192. But we had a really big support area right now about the 250, and you can even see support right there, support over here. Let's see what this low was. $249 was low on that one. So yeah, it's just in a really good good deal territory. Just want to let y'all know that, and then also we are in the, what you tickling me for? We are in the 250s now. So I would be looking for a bounce sometime within the next, today into the next few days. So other than that, there's a few videos that I'll be putting up here in the next day or two. We made $315 yesterday, which I'll try to do a video. Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. There you go. Good boy. Oh. Say hey. Say hey. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.